Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to deposit money in Trust Wallet. So simply in order to do this, first of all, go to Play Store and just after that search for the application Trust Wallet. So just simply when you click on the search button, so on the first you will see automatically the Trust Wallet application will be appeared here. So simply just what you need to do, you have to just install this application, and just after that simply, so when you open this application, after that here you can see if you already have account, simply just click on I already have wallet, and simply you can agree to the terms and policies, and after that click on continue. So here you have to create a passcode. So currently I don't have account, so simply we will create a new account on Trust Wallet. Simply just click here, and after that set a passcode. So now same passcode again. Now here backup your wallet. If you want to create a backup, simply just, if I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. So check all these three options and just simply click on continue button. So here you can see my secret phrase. Just simply copy, and after that just go to continue. So just simply, so select the right phrase here. So now copy the phrases here and just simply click on done. So now here you can see our wallet is being created. So now after that simply just, you can see deposit crypto with Coinbase. So simply just after that close. Now here in my case, simply you can see that I currently have zero balance. Here you can see the multiple coins available. So simply like you can see the Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain. So just what you need to do, go to wallet, and here like if you click on add token, so here you can see the BNB Smart Chain. So simply there are multiple methods to add the payment here. Like here if you want to add payment through Ethereum, so simply just click on Ethereum, and after that when you click on Ethereum, so here you can see currently I have zero balance. So now I want to add the balance. So whenever you open the coin, simply you can see on the top side the buy option. So just click on buy, and after that when you click on buy, so here you can see the default amount is $150. So now if you want to add the $10, like I have added $10, so it will not be available to buy. Simply if I type $20, it will not be available to buy. So the minimum purchase you can do with $50. So just tap the $50 here, and after that here you can see that it will be available. So now connect with Binance. So here you can see the best rate regarding Binance. So just simply after that click on next. So when you click on next, you will go to Binance Connect. So just wait for few seconds. So here in this page you can see on the top side your country, and after that spend 50 PKR. So here you can see the amount should be changed here. So simply just add the more amount here. So when your amount is low, you cannot buy it. So simply just change the amount pattern here. Just I have added 5000. After that, here you can see that the fees will be deducted like 0.01589866 Ethereum. You get this after that when you buy with Binance. So simply just pay with Binance. So here you can check the details and just after that click on continue. So now you have to go to Binance to deposit the cash in your wallet. So just simply log into your Binance application, and if you have amount in your Binance app, simply you can deposit money in this way in Trust Wallet. So here you can also see BNB. So just simply after that when you open this, click on buy, and now in the next, here you can see by default 150 amount. So you can also buy this from Binance. Simply just what you need to do, click on next, and after that you will move to next page. So simply here you can see that you can also buy the bitcoins with Binance. So in this way you can deposit cash in Trust